Between Animal Crossing New Leaf and the Tomodachi game, which is your favorite?
Animal Crossing.
How come?
Because you get to collect fun stuff like flowers, seashells, coral, and you get to dig up fossils.
And what are the animals in Animal Crossing?
There's a panda, beaver, an ostrich, a dog, a bunny.
What do you do in Animal Crossing?
You can go to other places, like if you collect stuff, you can go and sell it if your pockets are full, or if you get a fossil, you can go turn it into the museum and look around there.
That's fun. What are you working on in Animal Crossing? Is your house paid off? Okay. What about Tomodachi?
I like it because you get to see if your character is making friends with someone else.
Have you made any music videos?
Yes.
What's your favorite one?
My favorite one is
Which style? Like the ballad or opera or pop?
ballad.
You like that one? Do you like going shopping for different clothes?
Yeah.
And they have lots of variety of food to eat, huh? Have you ever found someone who has found their favorite food?
Yeah.
What do they do?
It goes on so if you want to give them a gift, there's some food and it goes under special food.
Yeah. And they do a little dance, huh? So, do you think that this game is perfect for kids your age?
Yes.
How old are you?
9.
Okay, so you recommend this for kids ages 9? All right, sounds good. Thanks for helping.
You're welcome.
Bye.